Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In this video, we will provide an introduction to the Networx wireless locks that can be integrated with the Continental Access CA4K software. Very important. In addition to this video, please refer to two other valuable resources. The first is the Continental Quick Help System that can be found on the Continental website under Resources. The second is the CA4K online help file. The Networx wireless locks consists of two brands. The first is the Trilogy Networx wireless locks. The second is the Architect Networx wireless locks. The list of supported Networx wireless locks that can be integrated with the CA4K software is continually growing. The Continental Quick Help System will list all the supported wireless locks as of this video production. As per the overview diagram displaying, there are four main components in a CA4K wireless lock system. The first is the CA4K server running the CA4K software. The second is a Networx gateway. The third is the Networx wireless lock itself, and the fourth is the optional Networx expander. The optional Networx expander increases the allowable distance between a gateway and lock. In the CA4K software, there is a component that communicates with the wireless lock system. The component is called the wireless lock server. Very important. Before the CA4K software can communicate with wireless locks, the Enable Wireless Locks option must be enabled in the CA4K software under System Settings. This will be discussed again in the Getting Started videos. In summary, the CA4K software communicates on a local area network to a router. The router can either communicate to a gateway via a network cable or 802.11, also known as wireless. The gateway then communicates directly to a wireless lock or to an optional expander that communicates to a wireless lock. The following screens are from the Continental Access Quick Help System and provides images for most of the Networx components needed for a wireless lock system. The first screen displays the original Generation 1 gateways. These gateways were the original gateways designed for Networx wireless locks. The CA4K is backwards compatible with Generation 1 gateways, but it is recommended to use Generation 2 gateways and expanders. There are four different types of Generation 1 gateways. In this video, we will not explain the difference between the different Generation 1 gateways. In the next few screens, we will discuss the Generation 2 gateways with additional details. The various Generation 2 gateways are very similar to the Generation 1 gateways. The next screen displays the current Generation 2 gateways and expander. This screen displays 3 out of the 4 types of Gen 2 gateways. The type we will not discuss is the USB gateway. The first gateway displayed is the wired version, the second is the wired and wireless version, and the third is the PoE version. The AL-IME-EXP to the right is the optional expander. The next screen displays all the supported Trilogy Networx and Architect Networx wireless locks that can integrate with the CA4K software. In addition to the Trilogy Networx wireless lock part numbers, a few basic Architect series part numbers are displayed. The Architect series of locks include many options and features, and there are a wide range of part numbers. Please contact Continental Sales for the correct Architect part numbers. Also on this screen is an image of 2 different remote releases, along with an exit trim lock. The remote releases come in a 1-button and a 4-button model. The exit trim locks are push bar locks. Each group of Trilogy Networx locks contains 3 different models. The first type contains a prox reader and a keypad. The second type contains only a prox reader, and the third type contains only a keypad. The model with the prox reader and the keypad is the PDL model. The model with only a prox reader is the PL model, and the model with only a keypad is a DL model. Some groups of lock models are cylindrical, and others are mortise-type locks. A cylindrical-type lock is the type of lock you find in most residential homes. The mortise-type locks are mainly found in commercial buildings. In addition to the type of lock it is, cylindrical or mortise, you must also take note of the type of reader it consists of and the type of credential it reads. Some models only the ED-I class credentials. The selection of Architect series locks is constantly expanding. One of the most recent models introduced is the N90L models. The L models are the new series of Architect locks that contain a lockdown strobe or indicator on the inside of the door. These models are ideal for institutions that might have to initiate lockdowns. Another new model is the CR model. This model Architect lock contains a concealed reader. Much like the Trilogy Networx locks, the Architect lock types are available in cylindrical or mortise. The N90 model is the cylindrical model, and the N95 model is the mortise model. Another component of the Architect lock you have to be concerned with while ordering is the electronics module. The Architects are available with an electronic insert that is installed in the door or a surface mount electronics box. Other items of concern while ordering the Architect lock is the reader type, keypad, key override, deadbolt, door contact, and lever type and finish. This concludes the introduction to wireless locks video. The intention of this video was to introduce you to the Networx series of products that integrate with the CA4K software. Please watch the following videos on getting started with gateways, expanders, and wireless locks. These Getting Started videos will include the necessary steps to take prior to programming the CA4K software. They will also provide basic CA4K programming instructions. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video.